I'm going to be revealing the winner of my epic comp. So the first place goes to Love Emily. This is the girl. She looks so good. And this is hers. So congrats, Millie. You get a edit with me. No, a shout out, I think. And wait, I think you get a shout out or an edit, and then you get 200 money with me and it'll be. So you get a free $200. Okay. Second is my cousin, Emmy. This is hers. Holy cow. Okay, so she is second. Congrats to her, subscribe. And the last one is my cousin. She gets a edit, shout out, and $50 and adopt me. So that's the edit comp winners, and then let's just see these. Oh. Okay, so Millie gets a shout out. Second, who was second? Just oh my god, I cannot reveal her name. That's Emmy's name. So Emmy gets a edit with me and $200 and adopt me. Third, my cousin's third. She gets a shout out, edit with me, and $50 and adopt me. So yeah, I am sick again, but please don't unsubscribe because I am getting sick and they're feeling good. Like I have oh, okay.
Who wants some? Just
Okay, so so I'm gonna watch this after I finish this video. Bye guys, love y'all. Please don't be upset if you didn't win the first place or anything like that. Bye.